Hello, this is John Enright with Custom Wealth Management. Thank you for investing a few minutes of your time into your financial life through this 7-part series on financial wellness. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to cover the stimulus checks that you recently or hopefully will soon receive, managing student loans, mortgage considerations, building a financial foundation, identifying threats to your financial goals, managing credit and debt, and creating a personal budget. There are certain risks that we choose to accept ourselves and others that we choose to pass to an insurance company at a cost. A great example of this would be your car insurance or your homeowner's insurance or even health insurance. Some that are often overlooked are income protection, such as disability, and this would provide in the event of an accident, an illness, or an injury. Each one of us has to determine what risks we are willing to accept ourselves and which risks we are more comfortable passing on to somebody else, such as an insurance company. Sometimes that decision comes down to purely costs. If only we had a crystal ball. The problem is, at any point, we can experience a risk that leads to a financial crisis if we do not plan appropriately. Your own and your family's financial future is dependent on appropriately managing these various risks. This has never been so clear as it is today for many Americans, and it emphasizes how important it is to establish a strong financial foundation. Your time was well invested, and at this point you have some great takeaways. We are here to help you through this, and we welcome you to reach us with any questions or challenges you may have. Thank you, and please stay safe and join us for the next part of this 7-part series.